So hi friends, so today we will discuss on utility software of Deif, which is used to program the Deif controller. Deif controllers are used to control the DG generator sets for synchronizing, as well as it will also take the load. It will control the loading of the generator after once it is synchronized. So let's get into this. I'll be explaining part by part. So this is the icon of the utility software 3, which is used for Deif controllers. So this is the Deif controller, which is used for generator synchronizing as well as controlling it during the load. So this is just wanted to show you the picture how it looks. The front, if you see this one, this is the display unit and this is the backend unit. Okay. If utility software is free, just you have to type in the Google utility software, then you can see this one, multi-line utility software 3. So you have to download it. For downloading, they'll be asking your email ID. Once you give the email ID, they will send you the link to download the software. It's free and it can only be used with the Deif controllers. I have opened the Deif controller. So if you see this part, if you see here the communication, so you have to select. Normally you can use the USB port, and this the cable used for this communication is our normal printer cable, USB. So once you do, you can connect it. Now I am not connecting to the connecting to the Deif controller, but I will be opening some saved programs. So they will ask you the password. There are default password, so you can go for master. The default password used in the controller is 2002. So it will take some time to load the program. Okay, so this is the overview of the software. See, once you connect, actually these all things will be active if you connect this to a running Deif controller. It will be showing you the frequency of the generator, voltage of the generator. Then another line will be active here, where it will also show you the bus voltage and bus frequency. So now since it's not connected to any Deif controller, it's just so if you come this way, this is the alarm list. You can see there is no alarm. So then you come into parameters. There are several parameters, all are grouped according to their this, like protection. You have protection group, then you have the synchronization parameters, regulation. Once you have done the synchronizing, the controller goes in regulation and it will regulate as per this. This works on PID controllers. It works as a PID controller for controlling the frequency and voltage for the generator. You can program the digital inputs, analog inputs, outputs, general parameter like what is the maximum voltage it can take. All those comes here. These are the main parameters. Then you have the communication. Normally they use CAN bus for communication. You can use CAN bus. So there are these things. Then if you come downwards, so if you want to connect this computer, you have to go to the connect place and then connect it. Okay, and apart from this, there are few other things which right now, like application. See, this will give an overview of your system. Like you will be having several generators which are parallel to run. Like we have 3 generators, 1 and 2 transformers. So overall settings, overall parameters are there. In my next videos, I'll be explaining you how to add, how to remove, how to program, total plant, all those things. Then there are various logics here. If I click, it will take a lot of time to load, so I'm not right now clicking it. There are options. This will give you the details of the firmware, everything, whatever details of the controller. The main thing what we are, there is another thing, trend. It will not be active since it's not connected. In the trend, you can monitor various parameters You have to just select the parameters which you want to monitor. Time-based monitoring will happen. Okay, so in my next video, if people like more, they want to know more about this software, I'll be explaining in my next video. Thank you very much.